How is it going, you guys? Stephen from Break Free Homestead. Today we're going to be insulating our rim joist with this FROTH-PAK 200. Now we're going to be closing this room in, and I figured I would do it before I frame. We're going to use a partial tank today, so you have about a month to use the rest of it, but you have to like purge it every 2 weeks or whatever. So we'll plan to use the rest of this within 2 weeks. Got the lines hooked up, got it back in the box. It says to wear a Tyvek suit. We're just wearing gloves, respirator, goggles. Stuff's hard to get off if you've ever worked with it. So let's get to it. All right, so we got this on. We're using the flat tip. The miss is gonna record. Once you start spraying, you don't want to stop. If you go over 30 seconds, I think it basically ruins your tip. So continue going until you're done or until you're planning on stopping. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so that is it in this room. We got pretty good coverage. I think there was a couple spots we had to go back to and just hit real fast, but not too bad. It's all nice and sealed in. And where there's excess coming over, you can just come back with a drywall knife, or you might not even need to remove it in certain places, but if so, a drywall knife works really well. So yeah, that looks good. We can start framing this wall in this room. And what we're gonna do is let the tip dry there, and then we'll pull it off, put petroleum jelly on the nozzle where it comes out of the hose, and then we're gonna store it for up to 2 weeks until we clean out the rest of the basement so we can do the rest of the rim joists in this house. So if this helped you guys out at all, please drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out as we grow. We'd love to have you expand with us as we expand our homestead. We're constantly doing DIY projects, and I'm sure this is what you're looking for. We also insulated under our 14x14 edition. You can check out the playlist, I'll drop it over here, where we used foamate green, larger batches of this type stuff. But yeah, it worked out pretty well. I'll link the video up here. Thank you guys.